in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reach board 101 in Monopoly Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Reaching board 101 and any future one like 102, 103, 104, and so on is extremely simple. All that you have to do is use the dice that you have accumulated to roll around the board. Eventually, after you complete all of the objectives and the landmarks on this board, you will be able to advance to the next one. So tap the option to use your dice. You can even use the multipliers to make it go by quicker. And after you accumulate enough money, you will be able to upgrade all of the landmarks in one specific board. So usually you will have to play these games and you will earn a lot of cash. By using this cash, you can upgrade the landmarks and eventually progress to the next board. There are a lot of boards to explore, and if you would like to see your current progress, you just have to tap on the three lines over here, go over to map, and you will be able to see the current board that you are on. And you can keep going forward to see what awaits you in the future. But it's as simple as progressing by spending the money that you acquire to build all of the landmarks. Eventually, you will get all of them and you will be allowed to progress to the next board. So go over to build, make sure that you build everything listed here and you fix it if it has been a while since you've played. And once you build all of these landmarks, you will be able to evolve to the next board. The main way to get money for your buildings is going to be rolling the dice. However, because of events, gifts, and other promotions, you might be able to get it passively as well. So always run the dice daily, but you should be able to accumulate it just randomly by playing the game every day. I hope I was able to help you on how to reach board 101 in Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.